Okay, from the 5 theme that given by Niro Ceramic Group, I choose the theme of recomposition, which is it's very close to my artistic process, which is I broke it, I recompose it back. My work involves breaking the ties, a material that we see as a stability, order, and repetitions. And I reassemble them into an abstract form, which is sometimes I refer the colors from a nature. This act of deconstruction and reconstruction reflect how the civilization evolved. Old system collapsed, but the fragment shape what is coming next. The final composition become a visual metaphor for rebuilding, where brokenness become the foundation of something new. The inspiration of color, basically, I refer to what I got from the Niro Ceramic, which is the color that they give me is like a nature's color, which is blue, white, and sometimes browns. So it's very perfect to me to get inspiration from the nature itself, which is a landscape or something. For me, in designs, ties are about precisions, patterns, and also functions. But in arts, they become something new, which is the language for expressions. So a tie is not just a surface material. It can carry a cultural memory, emotional narrative, and even social commentary. So I believe that by reimagining how this material like a tie are used, artists can inspire the designers to think more conceptually, and also designers can challenge artists to consider functionality and form in new ways, which is the artistic narrative ways. I'm truly grateful to have this sponsorship from a Thai company to create my artworks. This support gave me the opportunity to experiment with new materials in new ways and to connect arts with industry in a meaningful context. So the support I receive through this sponsor has opened up new creative possibilities, and I'm excited to continue exploring where this partnership can lead.